this thing. This is Sankirtan. Otherwise chant Hare Krishna in the street. Whole tree, birds, beasts, everybody will get benefit. But you do japa, there is personal benefit. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, meditation. If you don't, you do chanting Hare Krishna mechanically, thinking, man bagicha mein ghum raha, but mind is dwelling somewhere else, in the garden or something like that. This happens. That is why so many devotees sometimes you don't see. Go away. हम यहाँ देख रहा राधा कुंड में कितना भक्त हो, कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन के इंटरनेशनल साहब गुरु को संस्था को छोड़ के इधर आके बाबा जी बन रहा। वो बात कभी नहीं ये चीज पसंद करता, बाबा जी डे नाइट सिट डाउन एंड डू जपा एंड रोटी चाना का लिए इधर घूम रहा। हे बाबा राधे श्याम, घर में जा राधे श्याम, रोटी लो। No, Prabhupada doesn't know. Work hard! Work hard! Otherwise, idle brain, devil's workshop. The whole day what are you doing? You young man? Work hard, man! Otherwise get lost. Hit the road. This is his call. You go distribute book, go chant in the street, distribute prasad, make member, collection. You are engaged. You are not engaged. You have nobody over your head. You are finished. One day you think of sense gratification. Thinking of apsara. Honey. Thinking. Then Krishna knows, oh, you want? You want handsome person, or beautiful lady, or money, honey? You give, I give you. Okay, you take it. Go away from bhakti. Forget. So you distribute books, some may think, instead of distributing book, you are collecting money. You can maybe sell, instead of selling books, you sell alankar, sell ornaments, get more money. Or make gold, something like that. Then you will become attached to money, gold. Then you won't go back to Godhead. Where the gold is, money is, you will go back there. Make sense? Kya? ठीक कहा? Where your attachment is? Where your attachment? Attachment is Krishna, Krishna Naam, Krishna Roop, Krishna Gun, Krishna Lila, Krishna Prasad, Krishna Bhakta, Krishna Dham. You go back to there. You are attached to money, sense object. There you will go. And again chant Hare Krishna. Krishna knows in the heart. Kon niskapat, kon kapati. Kapati, he has got all these things, I want this, I want this. Okay, take. Go ahead. So, in Krishna consciousness, इसलिए, for this reason Krishna consciousness, see, now, some institution, 40 years, 5% is there, all gone. Why? क्यों गया? चला गया. 95%. Other desire there, making opera. Now new coming. So sometimes some devotee says, easy coming, easy going. You come easily and easily go. So this Radha Kunda full of this, so many. I see all face, I know them. They are not going there. Jump into it. But one who is sincerely, strictly following what Sadguru says, Prabhupada, he is there. He is still following. Get up early in the morning, take bath, Mangalarti, doing japa, having class, Harikatha, Savanam, Kirtanam, then Vishnu Sharanam. Yeah. Vishnu Sharanam, Ante Narayana Sriti. When you are going to die, then you remember Krishna, go back to Krishna. When you are thinking something else, chanting Hare Krishna, inside is taka, taka. Taka, 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 taka. Hare Krishna, inside. Taka, 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 taka. Go back to taka. And again, tilak, mala, everything. Nice photo, this is that. Krishna, no. You are chanting Hare Krishna, thinking of taka, thinking of sense object. Okay. More Vilas, we say chanting. Tulsi Arati. More Vilas. Vilas Kunde Diyobas, somebody thinks something else. Hore Vilas, America, and go back to America. America. And doing little worship, getting Apsara or some Vidyadhar. And again, chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. It will get time inside. Dalat, 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 dalat. And Mukham banara. Ek din. The Bhagavan, what he thought. Before he died, he's saying, more dollar, bank, kitna rupiya hai, kitna dollar hai. The next life, go back, not Krishna loka, dollar loka. Go back to dollar. So choice is ours, Prabhupada says. Krishna consciousness depends on our attitude. Attitude, what we will say in Hindi? Attitude? Manobhav. अच्छा, मनोभाव हिंदी में मनोभाव कहा नहीं सकता? मनोभाव. तो मनोभाव क्या है? इसका धंधा क्या है? क्या इसे धंधा? क्या धंधा कर रहा? What he is after? What he is driving at? What he is after? Hare Krishna chanting, but what he is desiring inside? Krishna is inside. He is always knows deep within his heart what he wants. Okay, you want Apsara. I want a beautiful girl, my wife. Okay, take it. Then he do little puja, he forget. He has no time to maintain her and family. He has no time for doing job. Isn't it? Yes or no? Then again, another life, come back again, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Not going back to God.
But Maharaji...
So these are the possibilities that we have to strictly follow what Prabhupada said. Mind chanting, we have to think of, what comes in my mind? When I am chanting, what comes in my mind? Ultimately, Krishna's name, form, beauty, pastime will come. If something else comes, then you have to know something wrong going on, or my past. So do it more nicely. I am telling negative side positive, simply positive side no good. That is why you go to some country, you don't think anything bad side of life. How people are unhappy. He has got money, car, food, refrigerator, color TV, everything is there. But he is sleeping outside the house, he is not going to work, he doesn't like this rat race life. But you live simple living in India, you have got food, then जो कुछ मिल जाए दाल रोटी, I am happy. कुछ स्थान है सोने का लिए, अच्छा कपड़ा कुछ मिल गया, कुछ काम किया, बस बाकी टाइम हरे राम हरे कृष्ण करो. दूसरा को बोलिए. You ask other, chant Hare Krishna, take prasad, live simple. Why? It is not. Modern civilization means making artificial necessities requirement. If you have a पंखा है हाथ में कि पंखा की जरूरत है, फैक्ट्री की क्या जरूरत है? This is a factory civilization and office civilization. It's not necessary. All these things creating, the moment this fan came, factory came, at once the unemployment question came. Now, in making computer, in one sense, making computer, there may be one computer can do 100% work, 100% work. 100 आदमी का एक कंप्यूटर काम करता तो इसका मतलब 100 आदमी अनएम्प्लॉयड हो जाएगा. तो क्या करेगा था? ये भी सोचना चाहिए. So life we should know what is the goal of life. They don't know. Modern education, जो अभी आधुनिक जो शिक्षा व्यवस्था उसमें बताता नहीं मरने के बाद क्या होगा. हाँ तो हम हमारा जीवन का लक्ष्य क्या है बोलता है. तो पशु के साथ एक पशु का इज जस्ट लाइक एनिमल. इफ यू आर सिंपली आप केवल सोचेगा आहार निद्रा आत्मरक्षा मैथुन कैसे हम करेगा और अच्छे तरह खाना खाएगा अच्छे तरह, तो पशु के साथ फर्क क्या है? ज्यादा नहीं, जस्ट पॉलिश्ड एनिमल. सम यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट आफ्टर लिसनिंग Prabhupada's लेक्चर, Prabhupada का लेक्चर सुनने के बाद एक यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट पूछा, स्वामी जी इफ आई बिकम ए डॉग व्हाट इज हार्म, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? हम अगले जन्म में कुत्ता बनेगा तो क्या बुरा क्या है? क्या बुरा है? देखो क्या मनोभाव कैसा है.